Hello everyone, Ruchi here from Ruchi's Cafeteria and I'm back with my another project for expressionscraft. This time I have focused on expressionscraft chalk paints. I have created two projects, an altered wall art and few coasters with dot mandalas. I have applied expressionscraft chalk paints on different surfaces like canvas, paper, flowers, chipboards, cardboards, deco stones and used them for stenciling and coloring as well. My first project is an altered wall art piece and for that I have applied crackled texture paste on this canvas frame. Now I am applying expressionscraft curcumin yellow and coral peony chalk paints on clock and leafy wreath chipboards. These chalk paints from expressionscraft are water-based, non-toxic, eco-friendly, dry fast, odor-free, easy to clean and give chalky and matte finish once dry. They can be used on wood, paper, wall, metal and glass and any other surface. Now I'm creating the background of my wall piece using same chalk paints and along with expressionscraft funky flower stencil. I have done some stamping using black archival ink for completing the background and now adhering all the elements together for decorating my altered wall frame. Lastly, I have added expressionscraft deco stones using matte gel medium and applied chalk paints on that, sprinkled mix Alaska Gold and Rainbow Sparks glitz. Now let's move to my second project using chalk paints. I have created coasters using expressionscraft cardboard pieces and created a dot mandala using their chalk paints. I have applied a thick coat of champagne linen chalk paint and when it dried, used my flower embossing tools to create dot mandalas. Used azure, baby blue and coral peony chalk paints for that. I have created one more coaster and for that used military brown, curcumin yellow, champagne linen and cotton candy chalk paints. That's it for today. Hope you like my today's projects and I will come up with more crafty videos, so don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. You can find all the supplies of Expressions Craft online store. Link is mentioned in the description box. Thanks for watching. See ya!